My name's Darryl. I'm with Faxon Rental Sales. I want to show you the proper way to use a pressure washer. First thing you want to do is use a 3/4 hose and hook it up and flush your hose out to make sure there's no debris in it. Okay, see there's no debris. Second thing you want to do is hook to the input onto your pump. Make sure it's good and snug so you keep your volume on your pressure washer. Second thing you want to do is hook up your hose to your wand, which is pretty simple. It's just a quick connect. Push back on that, stick it in there, pull it out, make sure it's good and locked. The third thing you want to do is look at your wand and figure out which nozzle you want to use for your job. Pretty simple on your wand. It's called a quick connect on it too. Push it in there, snap it, make sure it's good and secured. The third thing you want to do is take the other end of your hose, which is a quick connect. Snap it on there, make sure it's good and secured. Fourth thing you want to do after you got all this completed is turn your water on. Once you turn your water on, hold your wand to let the pressure off of it so the machine will be easy to crank. You want to turn the start button on. You've got a choke right here. Pull it back.